Save water with the Go&Go automatic motorbike washing machine. Using advanced technology, the Go&Go automatic conveyor belt washing machine only consumes 150 liters of water per bike wash. Meanwhile, the Go&Go automatic motorbike washing machine's eco-friendly version uses just 80 liters per bike wash. This is a significant saving compared to traditional washing methods. Despite the lower water usage, the machine ensures optimal cleaning effectiveness, covering every detail on the vehicle. With this efficient water consumption, shop owners can reduce operating costs while maintaining service quality and contributing to water conservation, an increasingly important social issue. If you're interested in our automatic motorbike washing machine and need further consultation, please leave a comment below the video or contact Go&Go for support. Goodbye, and see you in our next videos.